Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion, reaction itong post. Napakagandang post ni Teo Moreno. Title, The Real Scandal. 125 million versus 545.64 billion. Ito, yung kay BP Sara, 125 million lang yung kine-question na confidential funds. Amantalang itong flood control projects na karamihan palpak, guni-guni, 546.5 billion. Nasaan na yung mga maiingay na nagsisigaw ng accountability, transparency. O, ngayon, tahimik sila. Ito. In 2022, aside from being Vice President, Bongbong Marcos gave BP Inday Sara 2 additional rules, DepEd Secretary and Vice Co-Chairperson of NTF-ELCAC. Upon assuming these positions, BP Sara discovered problems that had long been neglected. Number 1, child abuse. Number 2, online exploitation. Number 3, youth recruitment ng mga makakaliwa. Number 4, drugs and gang violence. To address these issues, her offices required surveillance, informants, and intervention program. This is exactly the very reason why the 125 million confidential funds was requested. But instead of supporting this, Martin Romualdez weaponized the Makabayan Bloc along with his young guns and attack dogs in Congress to single out BP Sara's 125 million confidential funds while ignoring BBM's 4.5 billion intelligence and confidential funds. What followed? Political persecution of the Duterte family capped by BP Sara's impeachment. While the House of Representatives was busy vilifying Duterte or demonizing Duterte, it stayed silent on a far bigger scandal, 545.64 billion worth of flood control projects. From July 2022 to May 2025, 9,855 flood control projects were funded. Ayan, yung ipinagmalaki ng Pangulo last year, 5,500, ngayon naging 9,800 na. 15 contractors cornered 100 billion or 20% of total funds. 350 billion worth for the 6,021 flood control projects had no proper specifications and failed to meet material standards, leaving the public clueless whether these were for drainage, flood mitigation, dikes, embankments, or simple repairs. Malabo eh. On average, the Philippines spent 1.07 billion per day in 2022. Ito yung sinasabi ni Senator Villanueva. Galit na galit. Kasi ang Bulacan, lubog sila palagi sa baha. 1.07 billion per day in 2022. 1.34 billion pesos per day in 2023. 1.37 billion per day in 2024 and 1.08 billion per day in 2025 without clear feasibility studies or project cost analysis. Grabe oh. Kaya sabi ni Senator Erwin Tulfo, kayo mga taga-DPWH, mga lungga kayo ng mga billionaires. Nagpapakayaman kayo sa pera ng taong bayan, may mga jet plane kayo, may mga basta, namumuhay kayo ng marangya. Matalo kayo sa sugal, baliwala sa inyo. Grabe yung opening statement ni Senator Erwin Tulfo kapon. And believe ako sa kanya. And yet, the result, flood control, ghost flood control projects. For example, in Kalumpit, Bulacan, a dike was inspected and found not to have followed specifications. DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunuan even admitted that projects worth 5.9 billion under Wawao Builders Incorporated were non-existent. Ghost project. And despite Bulacan receiving 70 billion in flood control allocations, it remains submerged during typhoons. The irony? Bulacan congressmen, most of not all BBM allies, signed the impeachment case against BP Sara. Worst, the noisiest critics of Duterte's 125 million fund are silent now. Where are the Makabayan Black? Oh, nasana? Yung mga maingay na Makabayan Black, tahimik eh. The young guns, the attack dogs now, silent. Take Representative Rhodes Rodriguez of One Rider Party List. He was loud during the Quadcom and Tricom hearings, but today nowhere to be found. Why? Yun ha. Because in 2024, Alro Construction and Development Corporation, where his father is managing officer and incorporator, was awarded 1.576 billion in DPWH contracts. And Representative Gutierrez sits on the Appropriations Committee. Clearly, he cannot attack his own interest. These congressmen portrayed themselves as clean and even demonized the BP Sara's Duterte over 125 million, a figure that is just 0.023% of the 545.64 billion flood control scam. Who allocated these funds? The House of Representatives, headed by Speaker Martin Romualdez, who approved the President, the useless Bongbong Marcos. In reality, it is they, the mafias in Congress, the Marcos Romualdez machinery, and their political attack dogs who are bleeding this country dry. So, who is the real threat to taxpayers' money? BP Sara or the contractors? Ang gandang tanong, ano? The real scandal is not 125 million. The real scandal is 545.64 billion is stolen from the money. Ghost projects for fund control projects. Anyway, salamat Teo Moreno sa napakagandang article nimo. Nasaan na yung maingay? Tahimik na sila. Kaya alangan naman atakihin nila ang kanilang sarili. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo sa Tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng livelihood assistance, nagpapatanim ng saging lakatan at Arabica coffee. Panoorin niyo ang video na ito.
Anak ko sa area ni Mano Iking sa iyang tanom nga saging lakatan. So akong gibisita og na ako'y nakita nga iyang saging nga namunga naman di ang iyang saging lakatan oh. Muna ni ang namunga nga iyang saging lakatan, so dagan gyud ang iyang bunga. O karon na napod ko sa saging lakatan ni Manoy Boy. So nagabuno siya sa putas. Muna ni siya ang putas. So kining iyang saging lakatan ni Manoy Boy, isa na ni katuig og 8 ka bulan. Muna ni ang una niyang tanom. So karon kaluoy sa Ginoo na anay bunga. Oh. So, naana gyud bunga sa iyang saging lakatan ni Manoy Boy. Kaluoy sa Ginoo, namunga na gyud ang among mga tanom nga saging lakatan. So, nalipay gyud mi. So, muna sad ni ang hapit na pod mamunga nga saging lakatan ni Manoy Boy. So, mga dagko na gyud. Kay kadtong una niyang tanom, namunga naman karon. Og karon gawa sa pagpananom ilang manoy sa unang tanom nila nga lakatan, so karon nananumpod sila og kape. So muna ni ang ilang kape nga isa pa ka bulan. ug karon maupod ni ang gitanom ni Manoy Boy nga isa lang kapunuan nga kape. So wala pod ni niya ginaabunuan apan namunga. Oh, makita nato nga dagan gyapon siya og bunga. Nagpasabot nga maayo gid ang kape dinhi sa amo agyod.
Mat sa Ginoo
Oo.
sa nagsuporta sa among pagtananom
Mm.
na makahuas mi kansod.
Salamat kay nang.
Salamat sa